How to connect Instagram with Facebook page. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily connect Instagram with the Facebook page. So before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So let's start video. Firstly, open the Facebook and you will see three lines on top right. Click on it and then click on this and then click on your page. So in this way you will switch to your page. So click on profile and then click on manage options and then you will see setting options. Click on it. Here you will see linked account. Click on it and then click on Instagram and then click on connect account, then click on continue and then right here your phone number and user or email address of Instagram and password. So after entering email address or username and password, click on login it. If you want to save your login info, then click on save info. If you do not want to save it, then click on not now. So you can see my Instagram account is connected to Facebook page. So in this way you can easily connect your Instagram with Facebook page. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.